Hey, 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 this your girl J. Kels. Let's make ginger teriyaki New York strip steak salad. Alright, so salt and pepper are definitely the go-tos for steak, but I do love this seasoning as well. It just has the perfect blend to me. Go ahead and season both sides of your steak. And also pick up the steak after you do the top and the bottom so you can make sure you get the seasoning on the sides of that steak as well. Go ahead, pour some canola oil into your preheated cast iron skillet. And once that oil heats up, go ahead and place your steak inside. With your tongs, go ahead and press down the steak because you want a great sear on each side of your steak. You only want to cook the steak about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright, put that baby over. You're going to do the exact same process on the other side. Once both sides are seared, go ahead and pick up your steak so you can sear the other two sides of the steak. Go ahead and add your shallots, garlic, sesame oil, ginger paste, and you're going to stir it a little bit and top it off with some teriyaki sauce. Add your rosemary and thyme and some butter as well. Remove your steak while the butter melts, and once it simmers for about a good 2 to 3 minutes, add your steak back to the skillet so you can baste your steak. After about a good 2 or 3 minutes of simmering and basting, take your steak out, place it on a cutting board, and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This your girl J. Kels. Thanks for watching. Peace.